because I'm on my own and my husband's dead. And it's lovely to come down here and meet all the people. Everybody's happy and, you know, I love that. Yeah.
I'm having a ball with this club. This club has made my life. The dancing and the beautiful people. It's just fantastic. It's the best thing I've ever been in my life.
It was Christmas, just coming up to Christmas, and my husband came in to tell me he was going on to the match. He was on his bike, and he went out the door. He used to play the piano there, and he was after the first tune he played in it, and it was only thing brought out was Travelling Light, and he got up to play it on the piano, and then he left. And about 2 hours after, I got a phone call to say that he had been knocked down with a lorry, Dublin Dairy milk lorry, and he died 7 days after. He was buried on a Christmas Eve, and I was expecting a baby, but it was a sad time. It is a sad time. The children have no memory of their father. They just have photographs, that's all. So it's not a good time for our family, but we had a good life. I worked all my life, and I made a good life with the kids.
I'm not in love with Christmas now because my husband is dead, and my son is dead. But I have my daughter with me and my granddaughter, and I have a load of grandchildren up in Blanc, and great-grandchildren. It's a lonely time, especially when the one should be sitting at the table is not there. But other than that, I enjoy life. I come down here, I called a bingo for them Friday, and a girl got me in here, and I'm here now a good few years, and I love a Wednesday and Friday I come, and that's me week.
I'm always saying one thing, and I mean it. One day you were like, I was like you, and one day you're going to be like me, old. That's when you'll be like looking for the likes of this club. So anybody out there that can help, do it. Don't think about it, do it. Because you're helping old people. Some people out there over 90 years of age, where would they be at home? Sitting looking at four walls.